fucking new air conditioning heating system. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You know, it's fucking not working up there though. So that's what we're getting today. We're getting a heating and air conditioning, new replacement units. These motherfuckers out here putting the outside unit up. Check this shit out. They got a fucking tent so they don't get wet. Fucking brand new unit. Hell yeah. Fucking ain't gonna get sweaty and hot no more at this motherfucker. Cause we gonna get some air conditioning. That's what I'm talking about. Day 23. Air conditioning. You know, you never really know what you're gonna fucking find when you're doing shit like this. And fucking, so look what I found. 2 strip bare fucking wires, one right beside the other, up in the fucking ceiling, over top of a pile of this shit. See that shit? It's a fire hazard, and it's been like that for years. So, pull the fucking light down and fucking find shit like that. Stripped wires, insulation, old broke up paper from sheetrock and shit like that. So, I'm replacing this fucking light right here. So if I can take it down, that's what you find and shit. You find shit like that. So look at this raggedy motherfucker. Cloth wire. So rat nest and shit. Damn. That's some old school shit right there. Look like it's been there for a while. Anyway, I'm priming on in the kitchen. Trying to get that shit done. Dave's working on the doors for these pantry right here. Moving along. Well, we almost got some fucking air conditioning today, but it won't be done until later on, so I guess we fucking won't be able to fucking use it till tomorrow. That sucks, but it is what it is. Getting there. Alright, we're entering the day 23 of our house renovation now. I've painted ceiling white paint in the Promar 200 ceiling white over top of my old primer up on my ceilings. I did the bathroom. This bedroom right here. We're gonna put new air conditioning lines, so a little bit of insulation and shit like that in the floor. But all the ceilings are painted now, except for the living room and the hallway. I see that shine on that. This is because the paint's still wet. Also, ceiling white paint in the kitchen and primer on the walls. So tomorrow I should be doing some wall painting. Also the fucking ceiling white in this room. Promar 200 on the ceiling. It's all cut and rolled. The dining room is done. Some of the pantry doors have been fucking sanded and primed. Still got a couple of those left and some drawers. But that's where we're at so far today. And again, hopefully, tomorrow we'll get some air conditioning. They said they're going to be done this evening, so we'll see. So come in this motherfucker tomorrow, kick the air conditioning on, and chill when it's hot and humid outside. Fuck the dumb shit. So, if you like this video, subscribe to Gigo TV. watch the other 22 of the house renovation videos. And there's also 315 more videos on how to do shit, reviews of things and whatnot. So, something for everybody. So hit the notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you like it. If you got a question, leave a comment in the comment section or email me. It's in the description of the channel, an email link. And I'll get back with you personally and answer your question. So see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for day 24 in the air condition.